In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Ticketmaster ticket to your Apple Wallet in 2025. Now, this process is quite straightforward, but I'm here to guide you through each step to ensure you have the smoothest experience possible. First and foremost, make sure your iPhone is ready to go and you have the Ticketmaster app installed because this is where everything starts. So go ahead and open the Ticketmaster app on your iPhone. Once the app is open, you need to log in if you haven't done so already. Just follow the login prompts if needed, and soon you'll find yourself on the home screen of the app. Next, we're going to look for your tickets. Navigate over to the section called My Events. This is where all your upcoming events are listed, making it easy to find the ticket you want to add to your Apple Wallet. Browse through these events until you spot the one for which you've purchased tickets. Once you have located your event, tap on it, and this will bring up the details of the event as well as your tickets. Now, here's the part where things get really cool. Look for the Add to Apple Wallet button. Usually, it's positioned right next to your ticket information, making it easy to spot. Tap on Add to Apple Wallet. This step is essential because it moves your digital ticket into your Apple Wallet, which makes accessing it super convenient on the day of the event. Just imagine walking right up to the event entrance, pulling out your phone and showing your ticket with just a swipe. No more fumbling through emails or app screens. After you tap that button, you will see a prompt guiding you through the final steps of the process. Simply follow these prompts on your iPhone screen. They are there to ensure everything is added correctly. This generally involves confirming your intentions and maybe a tap or two more to finalize the addition. And that's it. Your ticket is now safely stored in your Apple Wallet, ready for easy and quick access whenever you need it. By following these steps, you've ensured that your event check-in will be smoother than ever. Remember, the next time you purchase a Ticketmaster ticket, you can repeat this process to add it to your Apple Wallet. It's a simple and efficient way to manage your digital tickets. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your future event experiences more enjoyable. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic time at your event.